So we are in the front entry. We have crown molding going around the ceiling, recessed lighting. We're just moving in. Movers are coming tomorrow, so we're trying to do a quick empty house tour for you guys. Let's come on into the dining room. We have our nice chair rail, crown molding again, recessed lighting. We have to put a chandelier here, but that'll be an easy fix. It's a new custom home, so we're excited to make some changes. Coming on into the living room. Again, crown molding, recessed lighting, beautiful gas fireplace. You turn the switches on both at the same time. It lights up. It takes a little bit, but it has beautiful marble surround, and we've always wanted a mantle for Christmas holidays with the decorates. We're really excited about that. Beautiful light fixture here. It's a mix of modern and traditional, so we're really looking forward to making it our own. We love the really cool recessed wood grates here, which are really nice. It's not as much metal on wood. It's like it kind of disappears into the floor, which is really neat. There goes the fireplace. Lights up, has a nice cover because we have twin girls, so we don't want them to touch it and for their fingers to get hot. So it's a nice cover here that protects them from that. There's also a really neat closet in the living room. Who would have thought? There's like closets everywhere. Nice closet there, I guess for extra coats. We'll come back into the foyer area. We have a stairwell here. Another large coat closet. When you walk into the closet, the light turns on, so if you step in, it comes on really quick so you can see what you're doing. Pretty cool. Then we'll come on in over here to the family room. My daughter over here is sleeping, so she's taking a little nap. She's tired today. Again, we have our crown molding, nice fan here, recessed lighting. It's hard for us to figure out which we love for cleaning. We have a small dog too, so we don't really like carpet as much, so that's really helpful. And now I will take you into the kitchen. This is our eat-in kitchen area. Has nice French doors here, which open out to a back deck. We live in a cold climate, so it's snow everywhere, but it'll be nice in the summertime. Sit out here, a nice cup of tea or coffee. I personally love plants, so this is my family of succulents. Beautiful area right over here by the corner. I actually got this neat contraption here from Wayfair, so they all have their own little moment. They all get their own little bit of sunlight, which is really cool. So love to have them here in the kitchen. And now moving over into the kitchen. This is probably my favorite part of the house. It's like the part of the home. We have our granite countertops, huge island. The builder said that he's built tons of these homes, but he made this island a lot bigger, which I love. So we have a lot of areas here to sit and eat. We can put some bar stools here. We've ordered a few from Wayfair, but we'll show that in another video. Over here, we have our microwave, which is really cool. So you lift this out, and you can open and close it that way. Very convenient. Over here we have our double oven. It's a touchscreen oven. All the appliances are Gen Air, which I never knew what Gen Air was until I Googled it. It's like a higher version of Whirlpool. So we're really looking forward to do some nice cookies during the Christmas holidays. Maybe put a turkey up here, do a lot of tandem cooking, which we were super excited about, particularly having kids. So that's really helpful. Over here we have a nice deep sink, and I love the pendant lightings in here. I have one over the sink and then a few over the island. A nice window here to look out while you're washing dishes or doing whatever at the kitchen countertop. Right here we have a nice dishwasher, which is also touchpad, so you get to open it. We have some dishes in there now. We've moved in a little bit of things, but mostly the kitchen we've moved in, but the rest of the house we haven't yet. Over here we have our nice stovetop, stainless steel range, all touchscreen again, which is really neat. We've never actually had a gas stovetop before, which is really neat. I actually really like the gold base of each of the, I forget what they're called here, but the lighters here, it's gold, so it's like a nice contrast. It's like a little bit of gold into the countertop here as well, so it picks that up as well. I love the silver on silver. This isn't like a stark white, it's like a dove white, which is a nice contrast with the white marble and brings in the countertop. It kind of ties it all together, which is really nice. We put in a few little things so far in terms of holding some of our kitchenware and that sort of thing, but there'll be lots more to come in terms of decorating for sure. This is the refrigerator. My favorite part about this is like you get to open both sides of it, and it's kind of heavy. So we have a few things in there now, but it does have like a little alarm that goes off here. So if you leave it open too long, it starts making a noise and has different controls, which is really neat. And then you have, I've always wanted one of these pull-out freezers, which is really nice. Has different shelves you can use. It's great for organization because I'm huge on that. Something we also really love about the island are the cabinets. So there's also plenty of storage space, so it's like a multifunctional. So you have the microwave on this side, then you have plenty of extra cabinetry on this side, so you both get function and then you both get an extra eating area, which is really helpful. Another aspect about the kitchen cabinets that we like is the built-in pantry and that the drawers pull out. So that's really nice. It's really enclosed. It's kind of put away. We have to, of course, we're going to do some organization. I love labeling things, so we'll definitely want to do that. But there's just plenty of cabinetry overall in the kitchen that we just really love to have that extra space. And then you also have the molding at the top of the cabinet, and then you have the molding on the ceiling as well that matches the rest of the house. So every attention to detail, they really thought about the form and function of the home that we really love. Over here, this is the mudroom area. It's essentially just like a closet here, and then there's a door to the garage here, and then out here is just a door out to the side deck. You just kind of walk out there. It's like a little walkway out there, but again, it's cold, it's winter, so we live in a colder climate. So over here, we have our half bathroom. Again, same granite countertop that was in the kitchen with the same cabinets here, a nice mirror, and then also the lighting fixtures here. I really like the floor a lot. It kind of looks like wood, but it's tile, which is really neat. So you get the durability of tile, but not having the actual wood, but you have the wood look. And this is the master bedroom. Right now we're sleeping on a blow-up bed because our furniture hasn't arrived yet, but this is our master. I love the tray ceiling, how it just kind of angles up. On this floor, and this room particularly, is 9-foot ceiling, which is really nice. There's recessed lighting. We have our nice fan in the center of the room as well. Again, love the hardwood floors. Something different that I really like is the windows. So you have the line in the middle of the window. Sometimes you see the cross, but I like that it's very minimalistic, and you just have that line down the middle, which is really cool. So heading over into the master some more, we have our double closets. Here's in our closets. They're a little messy now, we're just moving in, but the lights come on when you open the door. These are pocket doors, which is really nice. My husband's as well over here. Here have our pocket doors. Light comes on automatically. And now to my second favorite part of the house, the master bathroom. Spa. It's like a spa bathroom, something I've always wanted. I love the marble everywhere, on the floors, the countertops, the shower. But here we have our double vanity. We decorated a little bit, but we have the gray accents as well that pulls from the mirror into the marble countertop itself. We also have a huge tub. It's a huge jetted tub. We're really excited to use this. Again, it matches the marble that's in the countertop here. Really neat, we're really excited to use this. And this huge shower, again, marble. There's about 3 different heads. The rain head, there's a shower head, and there's like a handheld head in here, which is really nice. And I love the floors. The floor is like a dark gray graphite as well. It kind of bounces off of the silver that's in the fixtures itself. And a really cool part is the bench. You get to sit down, shave your legs, and do whatever it is you need to do. I love the insets that you can put your shampoo. In the corner, glass shelves here. You can put your soaps and that sort of thing. So it's just like everything that I would love to have in the bathroom. And I love the thick handle here too for the shower. Just really adds to that accent, the silver throughout the house in terms of the stainless steel, the kitchen, knobs, and everything. I love that accent. What's really unique is these shelves that I love. They built in these white shelves. It's perfect for towels. I want to put some clear glass containers in here for like cotton balls and Q-tips and that sort of thing, and other decor items, but again, that'll be a separate video. Another big part that I love is this window. You have your arched window here, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling. You can't see with so much, but there's recessed lighting back behind here as well, but it just like really brings in like the overall moment of the bathroom. It's just gorgeous, my absolutely favorite part. There's a linen closet over here as well, and that is the master suite. So let's go back out into the hallway. This is the hallway bathroom. This is my girls' bathroom. This is, again, same granite countertop, which I love. And then we have the gray cabinets here, which matches the gray cabinets in the kitchen island, which is a really nice feature as well. Tons of drawer space. I love the mirror here. And again, the gray faucet, stainless steel faucet. The flooring, the marble flooring as well. Excuse the board here, we are getting a new window installed. They wanted some sort of tempered glass, so we have to have that replaced, but that's easy. Over here, we have our marble shower again, which matches the floor, rain head. There's light above the shower, the tub as well, which we love. They did a really, really good job with these bathrooms, just adding every unique feature that you would want. Again, shampoo bottles here. You can put soaps in the corner. My girls love it. It's like their own little bathroom. Like, it's cute, but lots of decorating to do. Over here, this is where they close off the foyer, which I love because it's essentially like its own little room. So we intend to use this as like an office, which would be really nice. You can put a table here, a desk here, a chair, and then you have your window right here, so you get that natural light that comes in. So that's going to be really neat to work at home, particularly during COVID, where everybody's at home, right? So we're really excited to use this area as an office space. Now coming over here, we have our second bedroom. Similar to the other bedroom, we have a double closet. With all these closets, when you open the doors, the lights do come on, which is really nice. So it goes all the way to the end over here with the lights. Again, hardwood floors, recessed lighting throughout. We love the windows in here as well. You have that same accent in all of the windows here. That line, just like a nice little minimalistic little touch that you don't see every day. Gives it a little jazz in my opinion. So let's go back out to the hallway. This is our third bedroom. Similar to the other bedroom, got recessed lighting. We have the large closet as well. They really didn't skip on anything for sure. Large closet, lights again when you walk in. Tons of shelves for space. You can hang up plenty of clothes here, fold some on top. Maybe some cute little baskets would be nice. And then here we have our double window as well, which is really nice. A lot of space. I mean, these rooms aren't like small. Like sometimes in 4-bedroom or 5-bedroom homes, you have like some large bedrooms and you have one that's like a little nugget. But these rooms are ample size, which is great. Going down here is hallway, which I've always wanted a long hallway, which I'm really excited about. There's a closet in here, kind of goes all the way back and turns around the corner. But over here is my girls' bedroom. They're twins. They love to share a room, so they like to stay together. So it's totally up to them if they ever want their own room. Again, right now they're in a blow-up bed since our furniture doesn't arrive until tomorrow. But this is their room. I think this is literally bigger than me and my husband's room. Actually, it's quite a large room. They have plenty of space. Over here, they have, it's like vaulted ceiling here. And there's lights over here as well. They have their beautiful window. I think this would be a really cute area for their desk to be, like since they're doing remote learning from home right now. So this would be a nice area for that. Plenty of space for their beds, maybe a little TV, a dresser, plenty of space for their toys. They have double closets here. Again, the lights come on. They have recessed lights here in here as well. You have the fan as well. There's recessed lights throughout the whole house, which I really like that they did that, because sometimes you move in and it's like, where are the lights? I don't have my lamp, so what do? We turn on these lights. So it makes it really easy for us. Coming out of their room, we have second floor laundry, which is really nice. We just had our washer and dryers delivered, so we're excited to use those. They're LG. They're really good. My favorite feature so far is the quick wash feature. It cleans your clothes in like, it's actually speed wash, I'm sorry. Cleans your clothes in like 15 minutes, so it's really helpful. But I really like the white. I think they came in either both white or you can get black as well. But I wanted the white instead because it leaves the room more open. It doesn't darken it. So we have our nice cabinets here, which match downstairs cabinets as well, which is really nice. Soft closed doors, just as it was downstairs. A nice sink here, laundry sink. Then you have a countertop that's similar to downstairs, a little bit different, but you have similar color in terms of the browns and the grays. And again, we have our hardwood floors. Even though it's like a angled ceiling here, it's really nice that they did these recessed lights. It's a nice touch. It gives you that light that you need in the bathroom. In the laundry room, which is really, really helpful. So they did a really good job in the house. We actually met the builder and he was super nice. So we were so excited to be able to get this house. But this is, if you go from out of the laundry room, this is when you go downstairs. There's a second stairwell that takes you right back into the kitchen. And that's about it. So thank you guys so much. This is my empty house tour. There will be plenty of more videos to come. I want to take you room by room to design each space. So thanks for joining us. See you later, guys.